Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by choosing the platform, Apple App Store or Google Play, because steps differ. Once decided, make sure you control the recovery email or phone number tied to that account. This is how you'll prove identity. Next, unlock your device and open Settings right now, navigate to Accounts on Android, or tap your name at the top on iOS. Doing these things first speeds recovery because the system will prompt you for account verification without unnecessary detours. Now you perform the middle steps that actually recover the password. On iOS, go to Password and Security, then choose Change or Reset Password. The device often asks for your device passcode to proceed. On Android, open your Google account, tap Security, then Password and choose Forgot Password. Follow prompts. In both cases, provide the recovery email, SMS code, or authenticator approval when requested. Make sure to read each verification screen. This prevents accidental account. Finish by setting a strong new password. Aim for 12 or more characters mixing letters, numbers, and symbols, because a robust password prevents repeated resets. Once set, sign into the App Store or Play Store on your device and attempt a harmless download or purchase to confirm the password works. If verification codes don't arrive, check spam and carrier delays. If you're locked out, start the account recovery flow, which can take days. Remember, enable two-factor authentication to avoid this problem in the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.